I arrived on the Isle of Man in April 2018 on a wet and misty day with a group of friends with the objective of climbing Snaefell, the one and only mountain in Isle of Man over 2,000 feet. This was part of an objective I had of climbing all of the 2,000 feet mountains in England, Wales, Scotland and Ireland. The day continued wet and misty, so we took one of the Isle of Man's very beautiful coastal walks, of which there are many on the island. The following day continued to be wet and misty, but in order to fulfil our objective, we headed to the Laxey Wheel in the small village of Laxey to begin the walk up Snaefell, which we achieved, and then celebrated our achievement by having lunch in the Summit Hotel. You can actually see, apparently, England, Scotland, Wales and Ireland from the top of Snaefell. We saw nothing. There's a train that you can get up to Snaefell and back down, and that was very bizarre to see it kind of making its way through the mist, surreal, while we continued the walk to a couple of other hills. We're heading back to the hotel for a well-deserved G&T.